Congratulations, you have now finished Chapter 4. This week we started with patient history and communication, and then moved along to patient interviews and medical record. Here are some closing comments. Finding time to conduct patient education in a busy healthcare practice can be challenging. Every opportunity to interact with patients should be considered a potential teaching moment, and the perfect time to begin the education process is during the initial patient interview, when you first become aware of lifestyle factors or financial, social, or psychological problems that may affect the patient's wellness. Your interaction with patients and your use of therapeutic communication skills and interview techniques are crucial to the quality of care that the patients receive in your office. The medical history is a confidential record that can be shared only with healthcare professionals directly involved with the patient's care. Data provided to you by the patient or that you read in the patient's health record are confidential. You must not share any of this information with anyone. The consequences for disclosing private information to individuals not involved in the patient's care can be very serious and is regulated by law. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I'll see you next week in class and online. Bye-bye.